is that weather always changes on a dime. New rain, simple rain. We've all walked through storms in the past. Even the most cynical weatherman says the highs and the lows, neither of them last. Just carry your sweet umbrella and walk around under the cloud. 3 million crazy droplets into the storm, we'll probably be laughing out loud. The old man rocks in a backyard chair, looking out into the sky. Maybe he'll see just one more crazy rain before it's time for him to die. Just carry your cautious umbrella and walk around under the clouds.